have 20 kids in my class. They love actually having a hands-on tool to work with while they're learning the material, as opposed to just getting lectured at or reading out of a textbook to try and figure out things that are much easier to see three-dimensionally. They have done a great job with the mannequins. They love the mannequins. Being able to create it for yourself and to be able to build it for yourself is one thing that is really helpful to the students, whereas dissections are helpful to as well, but you're actually tearing it down, you're digging into it, and you're looking at what's already there, as opposed to putting the structures on for yourself and being able to see exactly where those structures go for yourself.